Hey, good afternoon. Mohammed here at North End Motors. It is a Friday afternoon, beautiful, beautiful day here in late November, and we got another next week. We got Thanksgiving, so I want to show you something. I know winter is coming. It's inevitable. It's gonna be here. It was already here a little while ago. A little snow. It's gonna be more coming our way. So I want to show you some of the vehicles. How to prepare for winter. You probably already know, but I figure share some of the stuff that maybe you can use, maybe you haven't been using before, or doing something to your car, vehicle that would probably help you through the winter a little better, save you a little bit of money, and also, get you out of, in case your battery's weak or something like that. It makes you aware of it and go get it checked out, go get a service. So I got Michael here. He's going to show me some of the pointers that you should be checking before the winter. So right now, the weather is good, so get out to your favorite mechanic. You can come down here. We got a shop here, full service shop with all the diagnostic, latest equipment. You can come down, see us, or go to your mechanic and get some of these things looked at and checked out so you can be better prepared for the winter time. So here we go. We're going to have Michael show us the thing. Really, I'm going to turn around and point at this 2020 Ford Fusion all-wheel drive with the sunroof. Beautiful car. So I'm going to show you what should be checked out for the winter preparation. Here we go. What do we got over here?
There you go. We're going to start out with the windshield with our wipers. So here for the winter, you're going to be often getting winter wipers. And you're just going to have a bigger rubber piece, as you can see here, smaller. It's going to be a bigger rubber piece, allowing for less ice buildup on those winters with that snow that is coming.
That makes perfect sense. So bigger, wider snow wipers, so that way you can, the snow is not gonna get buried in the snow, get iced up.
And remember too, as we know, clear off the windshield before we start the wiper. It's going to put an unnecessary strain on the motor, and then we don't want that. So next for our tires, these all season, you can get winter tires as well. They're made from a different sort of blend that prevents hardening that comes from regular tires when the temperature drops unexpectedly or a certain amount of degrees. And that's going to help avoid the fluctuation that we see with temperature change drop with the PSI in our tires. If we want to get checked more often as well during the winter months, these temperature changes with the bigger fluctuation up and down with your tires, and it's going to affect your tire traction, drivability, overall performance, and damage the tires in the long run as well.
Got it. That's why my wife's car keeps losing air, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Every time. Never fails winter time.
Another one here by the gas tank, make sure to keep your gas tank halfway full. Now, it's best to keep it halfway full as it avoids condensation in that gas line. So if that condensation builds up, you're more likely to freeze in the winter, especially with those cold temperatures. So we want to avoid that. And we can do that better by just keeping it halfway full at all times.
That makes sense. I never knew that. So make sure your gas tank is half full at least, if not more. So that way, don't dry it down to the empty line like we all of us do, because we're waiting. Hopefully the gas tank is going to fill by itself magically, but apparently it never does.
Never does. Now see here, around the wheel well here and in the underbody, we want to make sure to wash this more often in the winter. Now we know the road salt always piling up. We know the muck as well that gets under there. With newer cars, they're more rust resistant. However, it's not perfect. So we want to make sure to keep this washed and ready for those, that extra debris that we're going to be seeing in the winter months. Now, if you have alloy wheels, make sure you get these waxed as well. It's going to help prevent corrosion and those little pockets that can develop on them with the alloy.
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
We want to keep the exterior.
I didn't know that.
Usually the exterior too, just a coat of wax. That'll help keep off the debris, like I said, with the road salt and the debris, the muck that does get thrown up on us in those slushy winter days. These have just been a few tips of what we can do to winterize our vehicle. We're going to be also looking at a winter safety kit in our next video. It's going to go over what you need to have in your winter car to be best prepared. So make sure to like, subscribe, as we're going to be putting out more and more videos like that winter safety kit video here at North End Motors.
All right. Hey, thank you very much, Michael. Hey, go to our website, go to northendmotors.com. We are doing a lot of videos, how-to video. Check out our library. There's a lot of videos we're showing you how to do it yourself, how to save money, so that way you don't have to go to a shop to get that thing programmed or inflate the tire. You can do it yourself. So a lot of things do it yourself. that can be done by yourself and save yourself some money and time and energy, and you can spend more time with your family instead of going to a garage which is busy. You got to get an appointment, and all those things. So you can do some of that stuff. But if you need something that you can't fix, come see us here at North End Motors. We're at 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. Again, North End Motors, 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. Give us a call, make an appointment. We can handle all these things for you. If you don't have a mechanic, if you don't have a shop who can do that for you, we can do all those things for you. Get your car ready for the winter time. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.